So today we're doing about 2.5k hike, and this is going to be the same one that I'm doing across this training and prepping that I'm doing for when I do go overseas. If you are new around here, my name is Brendan. I've been hiking for a fairly long time. I like making travel content and kind of documenting my life in a really authentic way, all the ups and downs. And I decided to make this recovery series because I've gone to Taiwan, I've gone to Tasmania, Western Australia, and I've failed all kinds of hikes. And yeah, so I want to go back to Taiwan again, back home in April, and I really want to do Mount Jade. That's the goal. So I've used this spot, which is local to my house, as a training ground, and I decided to bring Alfie along with me. He's my little Italian greyhound. I've had him for 8 years, and for the last 6 or so years I've been sharing him with my ex-partner back and forward, but now I've got him full time, so I'm planning to bring him so we can spend more time together. And today I was not prepared at all because my A7C2 batteries are all dead. I got some cinematic footage and my SD cards are full on my Mavic Mini, so on the way back right now. But that's okay. We're gonna get a bunch of clips before that runs out, and we'll see what we come up with. Sit, 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 sit. Happy, sit, sit, sit. Don't get it. I'm starting to get that knee pain again, my right knee. Oh, I just don't understand what it is. It's so annoying. Oh man, so frustrating when I train as much as I do and then I still, hold on, let me pick you up. I train as much as I do and then I still get this pain in my legs. Oh. There you go, Iggs, come on. So I decided I'm going to strap him to my bag, so then I don't really have to worry about him too much. He can kind of just walk along with me at my pace and smell everything. I do tend to stop when he wants to smell things because it is his walk as much as it is my hike and training. So I want it to be enjoyable for both. And then on some sections I will take the leash off just so we can be a bit more free. There's just this section that I can't see around corners and stuff, so a bit wary of other dogs. But yeah, besides that, I have been training a lot. I'm starting to feel good. My calories are going up. I'm still on pretty low calories on 2200, but I can feel my muscles are getting harder, a bit more rounder, so it's a really nice feeling. So hopefully my body's going to start strengthening up over the next 6 months, and that's really going to make a difference in my overall hiking experience of just being stronger. But yeah, all right, we've got about a K to go. This section is going to be all uphill. It's a killer. Another thing I wanted to kind of talk about as well, I'm trying to load up, not too much, just a little bit, just with the backpacks, make things a little bit harder, a little bit more difficult. So eventually when I do Mount Kosciuszko again, I'm kind of used to packs on my back as well. So these are the stairs that I'm talking about. No. That's another reason why I can't have him off leash too much, because if he sees a bird, being a greyhound, he's gone. I'm wrecked. Those stairs, man, holy. Alright, it was a good training session. I need to do this at least once or twice a week. I think I'll film every second week, but I have something really exciting to share with you. I don't know if you've heard of Hypershell, but they've actually sent me the Hypershell Pro, and I'm so excited, like unbelievably excited, and I'm so excited to try this out. So basically it is like, as you know, I probably put out, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I put out a lot, and YouTube, that I put out a lot about my knee pain and stuff like that. And they've sent me out this product that you put around your waist, it goes down your legs, but it powers your legs. Anyway, I just wanted to share that little update with you. I'm going to go home, I'm going to do an unboxing, and then we're going to do a test video, but I wanted to show you that. Also, I picked up a few books. I went to the op shop and I got The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. You've probably heard of that. I know it's a bit cliche maybe, but I think it was like $2. And then I went to a different op shop and they had the same author selling this book, and I was like, what's the chances of just these two being in two different op shops that I went to? So had to pick that up. And then this one, it's called Your Dream Life Starts Here, and it's got a few it's got a few things on here that you can fill out as well along the way. So it's a book that you would read a couple of times, but you'd kind of dive into each chapter and really soak it in. Maybe read it like 2 or 3 times as well. So that's going to be a good one. I've got a few trips coming up, like the Fiji trip, and I want to have a couple of books so on the downtime I can read. But yeah, that's something that I picked up. I'm going to head back. We're going to make some burgers. We're going to chill out for the rest of the day, do the unboxing, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.